Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I wanted to share this raw wheatgrass juice powder that I started using. A friend recommended it to me. She's been using it for years, and she said it's just the thing that her family needed to boost their immune system and just feel like they were getting something good every day. And that is what I was looking for. So I just put a teaspoon of this in a glass of water, mix it up real good, and drink it down. For my kids, I put it in a smoothie because they do not like the taste of it. But honestly, I find that the taste is mild. It doesn't bother me at all. It's green, but if you don't like it, you could always do the smoothie version. I think that this product is really wonderful. It's a good quality, and it just gives me that feeling like I'm doing something good for my body each day. If you're looking to boost your immune system and get some greens in, I definitely would recommend this wheatgrass from Holistic Earth, but that's just my point of view.